Hello, I'm Dr. Roger Pilon, Vice Dean of Health Sciences and the Director of the School of Nursing at Queen's University. Nursing is a dynamic and exciting and rewarding career. Whether in clinical practice, research, or education, Queen's nurses will graduate prepared to make meaningful contributions to healthcare locally, nationally, and globally. As a student, you're going to benefit from integrated education by learning alongside nursing, rehabilitation, and medical students in an environment that reflects the collaboration seen in modern healthcare. The School of Nursing has strong partnerships with local hospitals, health and community agencies. You'll do clinical placements with hands-on opportunities in a variety of healthcare fields like long-term, acute and primary care, mental health, pediatrics, and obstetrics. Students within the Queen's Nursing program tell us that they love being a part of our close-knit community, where students support each other and work toward their goals together. I sincerely hope you will choose to join our nursing community at Queen's, and I look forward to welcoming you to campus this fall.